When your Vornado heater fan stops working, systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify the problem. Let's walk through the essential steps to get your heater running again. First, check the power supply. Ensure the heater is properly plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's providing power. Next, look for an indicator light on the heater to confirm it's receiving power. You may need to adjust the thermostat to a higher setting to activate the heating element and indicator light. If the heater overheats, it will automatically shut off for safety. When this happens, unplug the unit, remove any obstructions blocking airflow, wait 5 to 10 minutes for cooling, then plug it back in and try again. Vornado heaters have tip-over protection that shuts off the unit if it's tilted more than 10 degrees from upright. Simply place the heater back in an upright position to reset this safety feature. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, the problem may be related to dust accumulation or mechanical obstructions in the fan assembly, which we'll address in the next section. When your Vornado heater fan still isn't working after basic troubleshooting, the issue likely involves motor problems or maintenance needs. Let's address these systematically. Motor issues in Vornado heaters typically stem from dust accumulation, obstructed fan blades, or thermal fuse activation. The motor itself is permanently lubricated and doesn't require oiling. Regular cleaning is essential for proper motor function. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove dust from the front outlet grill and air inlets. Clean the outside of the heater weekly to prevent dust buildup. Compressed air is excellent for targeting specific dust spots and keeping the heating element and motor clear of debris. Use compressed air periodically to blow out accumulated dust from hard-to-reach areas. The thermal fuse is a critical safety component that protects the motor from overheating. If the motor gets too hot, this fuse will blow, shutting down the fan completely. Testing and replacing a thermal fuse requires electrical knowledge and should be done professionally. For effective maintenance, try the pillowcase trick. Place the fan blades inside a pillowcase and wipe them down to prevent dust from falling on the floor. Follow a regular cleaning schedule: weekly exterior cleaning, monthly vacuuming, and seasonal deep cleaning with compressed air. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical appliances. Always unplug the heater before cleaning or attempting any repairs. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity, seek professional help. Remember that disassembling the unit yourself will void the warranty, so return it to Vornado for service when needed. By following these maintenance procedures and safety guidelines, you can prevent most motor-related issues and keep your Vornado heater running efficiently for years to come.